In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on WhiteBIT and connect it to a service through the My Exchanges section. First, go to the WhiteBIT website, log into your account, and open the Profile menu in the top right corner. In the menu, select the API section. Here you can see the keys that have already been created and create a new API key. Click Generate API Key. On the key creation page, WhiteBIT shows two important values, the public key and the secret key. In the name field, enter any clear name for the key. It is better to name it after the service you are connecting, so you can easily identify it later. Below, select the required permissions. Do not enable extra access rights. Leave only the permissions that are needed for connection and correct service operation. After choosing the permissions, copy the public key and the secret key. Do not share these details with anyone, because they allow the service to access your account through the API. Now go back to the service account and open the My Exchanges section. Click the button to connect a new exchange. Select WhiteBIT from the list. Then, paste the API key into the first field and the secret key into the second field. Check that the correct exchange type is selected and that both keys are pasted without extra spaces. Then click Connect. If everything is filled in correctly, WhiteBIT will appear in the list of connected exchanges with a successful connection status. Done. The API key has been created, the exchange is connected, and the service can now work with your account through the API. It is better to store the keys in a safe place and avoid showing them on screen without blurring.